Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at Lexis & Company, and my today's topic is comparison between Article 163 and Article 174. Under Article 74 subclause 1, it clears that the President cannot exercise his own discretion, whereas the Governor under the Article 163 is bound on the Ministry of Advice only where the subject is beyond discretion. Prima facie, the use of the word discretion of the governor but not the president indicates that while the constitution possibility of the governor acting at the time of his discretion, that is the independently of the ministers, no such possibility has been investigated for the president. Article 163 is rather wide or clear when it comes to the governor's discretion and implies that he is not bound to the act as per the cabinet advice. On this point, the governor's committee has been observed that even through in normal conditions the exercise of governor's powers should be on the advice of the council of the ministers, and occasions may arise when the governor may find that the order is to be faithful to the constitution and the law has been his oath of the office. He has to take a particular decision independently. It is, however, realized that in the scheme of our constitution, such occasions will extremely rare. So, it held in the cases of Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab that the governor is not bound to seek such advice in the discriminatory area, and he discharges such the functions to the best of his judgment. It is an undeniable that the sensations of prosecutions of public servants, including ministers, is the executive function of the state government. The governor is not required to exercise his functions in discretion by or under the constitution. There is no specific article in the constitution which requires the governor to act in his discretion but also exercise the exclusive functions. It is well settled that unless a particular article expressly produces or provides an obligations of the governor to act his discretion cannot be inferred by implications as held in Honorable Supreme Court in Ram Java versus State of Punjab and Sanjeevi Naidu versus State of Madras. Also, the Lieutenant Governor should act as a facilitator for a good governance in national capital and not as an obstaculist. One should be able to exercise one's own discretion provided it does not make a constitution unworkable. Thank you.